will get on after leaving school. I will get my career started. Are you aged 16 to 17? Have you left school? Are you unemployed? Then a traineeship could be perfect for you. It's brilliant. Take the traineeship in health and social care, for example. The training providers create a learning environment that is just like a real-life nursing home. You'll be taught how to use medical equipment, such as the hoist, to lift patients in and out of beds. You'll gain a recognised qualification and take your first steps towards a successful career in health and social care.
We do lots of things. We learn how to hoist Jerry up. Jerry's our nursing doll. He's fab.
We help him out of bed, we give him a bed bath every morning. We put him in the chair through hoisting. So we've had to do our manual handling course. And we change him, dress him, take him to the toilet. The usual duties we'll have to do when we go out into the care profession.
A traineeship gives you the opportunity to see what life is like in your chosen sector. That's why so much importance is placed on work experience. You'll get help to find a placement with a local care home or hospital setting, and the more you learn, the more faith you'll have in your own abilities.
They help you get onto placements and they follow your progress really well as well. I'm now working at Cartrev Nursing Home in Porthcawl. There's a full house which is 31 residents and there's 6 carers on every shift. It makes you feel happy and it makes you feel really proud to put a smile on their face because some of them haven't had the greatest of lives, and when you can make them happy, it makes yourself feel a bit better then.
A traineeship is perfect if you didn't enjoy school or left not knowing what you want to do, or if you're in a rut and don't have any set plans for the future.
I left school and I went to college, and then I came here because college isn't for me. I can't learn very well in a classroom full of people. Whereas I came here and there's not many people in this room, as you can see, and I get on with my work. My tutors are really helpful. If I need any help, I know I can just ask. It's easy to get on with your work, you don't get distracted, and yeah, there's help whenever you need it.
Doing a traineeship will give you time to try out different skills and help open doors for you. Whether you want to continue your learning, go on to college after you finish your traineeship, do an apprenticeship, or find a job.
My long-term plans is to start full-time work in a care home, start my level 2, complete my level 2, 3 and 4, and then hopefully go on to do my nursing degree.
The opportunities out there are endless, from this job. You don't just have to go into elderly care, you can do anything with it really. So I'd say go for it if anyone was thinking about it.
So if you want to get on like these trainees, then you know what you've got to do. Get on a traineeship. I will get on after leaving school. I will think about a traineeship in health and social care.